Okay, that was not smart. Hello. Yeah, we're not in jail.
Not now.
not yet. They were actually pretty nice, I think, because we didn't really talk that much because they spoke French and I spoke English. So we had slight communication problems. But what I noticed is that they didn't seem that happy that I was doing a burnout in the middle of Paris. But yeah, now it's all good. They let us go. They said something to me in French, which I didn't understand. I said something to them in English, which they didn't understand. So perfect. Yeah.
The only thing we understand is not here.
Not here. Sorry guys if you see that. I didn't mean to do that. That was an accident.
They don't understand it.
Oh yeah.
Maybe with France.
I will translate with subtitles. Yeah. We're gonna go sleep now because I don't think that that's a good idea that we're doing anything else today. So we decided to change the E90 for a more practical car while we're here.
Ah.
That's my new car now. Wow. It's perfect for my size and I see everything. This is actually another French friend of us.
Yeah.
And yeah, he's a bit crazy. He's taking the race car, which obviously has registration, to the street. Fuck. That's actually insane, man.
Yeah.
I told you it's a special car.
Yeah. Very special.
I swear to God, French people are a different breed. Yeah, we arrived at the meet. But yeah, my M3 next to our friend's 488 race car. Yeah. Evo 2 I think it even is, because it's got the aggressive aero on it.
Yeah.
Wow, there's pretty many people actually if you film back there.
They come with the bus to see you.
Yeah, but I've been told I'm not allowed to do burnout, sadly. Which just kind of makes sense because we're in the middle of Paris. As you can see the Eiffel Tower in the back.
Yeah.
And yeah, gonna do some car spotting now.
Bumpy ride. How was the car meet?
Very chilled.
Yeah, too chilled.
So we found another friend here at France. This time he is from Great Britain. Wait, here. And we still have our French friend behind us. Oh, wait, you can't see him. Okay. Yeah, our French friend is still behind us, going completely sideways in his 812 now.
We show it later.
We shall later. And we are somewhere in France. I have, again, no idea where the fuck we are. On an airstrip. And I think you can imagine what's gonna happen soon.
Are you warming up the tires or?
Yeah. Next time I'm taking the Raptor to France.
France.
This side, hold it.
Oh!
This side. It's too late. Hello. Yeah, now we're good. Now we're good. Now we're good. Hey, man, I told you.
Sorry, man.
Accident. This guy, man. Yeah. is here.
What the fuck? So the airport went better than expected actually. We are now doing my last little bucket list thing, which is seeing my car do donuts in front of the Eiffel Tower. I am going to get a very special stunt driver for it, straight from Sweden.
There's more than one.
And yeah, then let's see how it goes. I hope my stunt driver doesn't get arrested, and I hope everything went to plan.
One more! Do it for Dale!
One more, man.
You know you had a good night when you're driving home with 40 kilometers per hour with your warning lights on in the middle of Paris on the Autobahn with the Pista and an M3. Both cars are shaking like this because the rear tires are completely gone. He's losing air pressure, I'm losing air pressure, we're all losing air pressure. Sparks are flying everywhere out of the wheel. But we had fun and that's what matters. So yeah, we got done with everything. The car is loaded up onto the trailer now. It's heading back home before we even head back home because we still have a night Paris in front of us. And yeah, bye bye Mr. M3.
It was a pleasure to meet you in Paris.
I think the car had a lot of fun in Paris.
Yeah.
I really think. The tires maybe not so, but
Yeah.
the car itself, amazing.
See you tomorrow. And it's gone.